Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to swap out the battery in your 2013 to 2024 Nissan Pathfinder key fob. This key fob uses one CR2032 battery, and if you need one, we'll provide a link in the description below where you can pick one up. So to swap out this battery, we will be using a small flathead screwdriver, but the first thing we're going to do is take the key fob, flip it over, our physical keys here on the right. We're going to press this button this way to release the physical key. Set that to the side. Now if we look, we can barely see that there's two slots here. There's a slot here, there's a slot here that just barely fit a small flathead screwdriver. So if we take our screwdriver, put it in this slot and just slightly twist, you can see it's starting to open up. And we'll go to the other side, we'll do the same thing. And you can see it starts to open, and then it gets to a point you can just use your fingers to pull them apart. And then we'll set this side down. Now you can try to get around this battery with a flathead screwdriver, but honestly I find it's a little bit easier just to take the back plate and just tap it in your hand and the battery will just pop out. So we'll get rid of our old battery, get our new battery. We're going to put it in here with the positive side facing down. So we're going to slide it in. It'll seat correctly. We'll press it down here. We'll take our other half. We'll squeeze the two pieces together. We will replace our manual key here. And we're good to go. So hopefully this video helped you swapping out the battery in your Nissan key fob. If it did, leave us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.